Hello, my name is Brandy Coonan, and my application is called the Cookbook Keeper for Android devices. Now, last week, the thing I was trying to focus on was the Save New Recipe screen, this recipe form. If you recall, the last time I only had the Add Ingredient button and the Add Step button, and I had a hard-coded version of what you see here. But, however, even though this does look the same, it is very different. As you can see, these are now scrollable sections. And these are actually dynamically added. So if I click this, you'll be able to see there's a fourth one. So actually, let me put that on the other one. Oops. There we go. And if I click this one more time, you'll see there's another one. I did go into the code to work these add ingredient and add step buttons and make it so that it automatically populates 3 upon creation of this, just because I think it personally aesthetically looks so much better having 3 there instead of having just a blank empty spot there. You can kind of see the empty spot here. It doesn't look as good, not to me at least. It might be a little bit confusing for an older generation to just see nothing there, and I thought this might be a little bit better. So I got that to work for both of them. This one does the same exact thing. So if I add another one, you'll see there's another one there, and it just keeps on going indefinitely. I made it to where the section to scroll up and down does stop right there and there, so there's no more problem of it going up towards the top of the screen, and no more problem with this going up towards the top and the bottom and so forth. My next steps are to be able to grasp the information here. Say if I say wash veggies, that's an instruction. I want to be able to say, okay, that's the second step, that's the second field there. Okay, I'm going to take that string, wash veggies, and save it as the second step in the database. So I still have to research, figure out how to go about doing that, but I feel like I'm really making progress. That's the next thing I'm going to do is create the databases. Now that I have all the forms, that was one of the things that was really bugging me, was that I did not have all the fields, the 4 fields that I wanted. So now that I do, I can go ahead and go into that, and then right after doing that, I'm going to move into the search feature, which right now doesn't do anything. Right now it just automatically, it's hard-coded to go to the error page, but once that is done and it's no longer hard-coded towards that, it's going to actually go to a search page where it shows all of those recipes that have been saved through here in the database. And I'm really looking forward to that.